One of the things that people try to do when they're faced with insurmountable evidence is to try to rationalize what happened or to come up with other scenarios as to why they are choosing to disbelieve the facts that are placed before them. For some reason, you're choosing to absolve a community for failing to protect a child and siding with a predator. And then you go on to say that maybe the victim, and we're talking about a child here, had a reputation, and a lot of people who are abused tended to be promiscuous. Well, thank you for proving the point. Thank you for proving that culturally we are prone to victim blame. Thank you for proving that when we say protect the children, we don't really mean it, because some of them little girl are too forthright, don't. So a fear fault make our father feel honey when him see her, right? Meanwhile, we have fathers abusing children as young as 6. And we're on the internet talking about victims tend to be promiscuous. Something really, really, really